Yes. All right. So last week we dealt with a double replacement reaction and looking at this concept of limiting reactant. This week we're going to focus on a single replacement reaction. Now I don't feel like I have to give you much as a way of a push because this time it doesn't involve hydrates and hydrates were very confusing to us. Um, but there is one aspect of this that is a little different and I want to deal with it. This is a single replacement reaction. You are correct. Iron is higher up on the activity series than copper, so this reaction will occur. You know, if we set it all up and it doesn't occur, that would be a complete waste of time. This reaction does occur. Does anyone remember the rule that I gave you for what to do with an element if it has to go to, of course, if it has to be oxidized up to its positive charge, but you can have one of two choices? Absolutely wrong. You can't be more wrong than that. Imagine. Try it again. Okay, you have two choices: the smallest one or the highest one. Yes, yes, you got that one. You got that one. Yes, the 9 out of 10. When you are zero and you have to go to a charge, but you have one of two choices, that charge will be the higher one. The higher one. But I did say 9 out of 10, did I not? Hey, it's the 10th time. So make sure that when you do change partners, you do go to iron 2, which, believe me, is going to make things a whole lot easier for you. And of course, copper is going to be reduced. All right. So looking at that sheet, everything else should be easy. What kind of reaction is this? I believe I just answered that for you. Number two, normally it would be the higher charge, but in this case, it's going to be the lower. Who is reduced? Who is oxidized? Who is the oxidizing agent? Who's the reducing agent? And then there it is. Keep in mind that 10.00 grams of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate does have 5 waters. So like the previous lab, you have to take the 5 waters into consideration when you are determining its atomic mass, its formula mass. Okay? So find copper sulfate, add 5 waters to it when you're doing the train tracks. I want to see work. So questions 1 through 9 should be neatly written down in order to go to lab tomorrow. Let's not have a repeat of what happened last week. Okay? Everyone comes prepared.